So I got this The Pink Stuff paste quite a long time ago, actually, because I was going to use it for some car job. I can't remember what it was. I think I was going to clean the seats or something with it, but I just never ended up using it in the end. So this is probably about 4 years old, and I've just cracked it open to have a go on this stainless sink here. So I used Autosol on this sink about probably 2 months ago just to freshen it up a bit, and it was a bit of a ball ache. It leaves a lot of black residue, which is quite annoying to clean up. So I'm just going to do a before and after and test this product and see if it's really worth the hype. Can't remember what I paid. It might have been about £6. I'm not sure, but yeah, let's have a go. So as you can see, hopefully, it's not in terrible condition. There's just some stains here, look. Some kind of food stains there, and a little bit on this back corner. Yeah, you can see that quite clearly in the light reflection. So I've already just applied it on here, so I'm just going to leave that a minute and just scoop a bit of this. I don't really know how much to use. I've not really read the instructions much. So I'm just going to rub that in. This is quite tricky to do with one hand while I'm there filming. So I'm going to consider this area here done, and you can see there is some black stuff on the cloth, which is promising. I'm just going to do the rest of this tub and then get rinsing and see what happens. So there it is, applied to pretty much the whole sink, and it just says to rinse off with hot water, so we'll see how well that works. Okay. Wonder how it is on, if we look at this area here. So, I mean, yeah, you can rinse it, but I can still see there's quite a bit left behind. So I'm just going to wipe it down with a damp cloth, and then we'll check back at the results. So yeah, I've just wiped it down, and I have to say I'm very impressed with that. It's really brightened up this sink. Now, it is quite an old sink, so there are quite a lot of scratches on it, as you can see in the light here. The products didn't do that, by the way, they were already there, but it certainly brightened it up quite a bit. As you can see here, that's way brighter and cleaner. There are a couple of bits here, these are paint splatter where I've not worked it in enough on the corner, but this panel here in particular, you saw how bad it was before. It was covered in like food liquid stains. Same here as well. So as I said, yeah, before I was using Autosol on it, which left behind so much like residue, and you really have to work at it to get it off. Whereas this stuff, yeah, it does lie a bit on the tub. It says just rinse with hot water and it will come off. That's not quite true. You'll be left with a lot of like milky watermarks. So I did have to use I ended up like drying it with this, but light pressure, it's not like I was scrubbing away to get rid of the residue. It's much easier to remove than Autosol, so going forward, yeah, I'm going to use that from now on for this. probably on the oven hob as well, and probably the oven door. One other thing I've noticed is it seems to leave behind some water repellent coating, which is really nice actually. If you look here, you see how the water sort of beads in a way? The water seems to not want to sit on the surface quite so much as it would before I cleaned it. Like here, look. Like anyone who's into car detailing would kind of know what water beading is like, but look at that. It's like it's just flowing itself. So that's really impressive as well. Then you can just wipe it clean, and it seems to dry really easy too. Like if I just whip around here, look at that. That's clean and dry. That's mad. And it also did really well getting in here, like this area, which can be really difficult to clean. There is a bit of food in there still, but that's come up really, really nice. So yeah, I've got to say, the Pink Stuff paste, is it worth the hype? I'd say yeah. So cheers.